is Karen. We're going to make a slime again.
Oh, okay. Okie dokie. What color?
We're going to make blue. We're going to make blue, green, and pink.
I thought we were making orange.
Oh, okay.
What color do you want?
I don't know.
I thought you wanted to make orange.
Yeah, orange.
Okay. Is it orange or are you sure?
Yeah, I want orange.
Okay. Here we go. We're gonna try and make it thick like our pink slime. Our pink slime is really good. Show me your pink slime.
Okay.
How
Here,
nice
bro.
it is. Did you say here, bro?
No, don't see it. Here.
It's good slime.
Here, picture. Here, picture.
Yeah. All right. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
First, I need the directions again. Clear glue.
Clear glue?
Clear glue.
Yeah, clear glue. You love you.
You love it? I love you, clear glue. Okay.
Okay, well.
We gotta.
Uh-oh. Here's something.
Doorbell.
Is there a book?
Keep squeezing.
I got this! Yeah. Okay, that's enough. No, now pour it.
Yep, pour it in there.
Wait here. Wait here.
Can't.
Oh. Do, 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 do. It's going to make slime. What the? What she got here?
I gotta clean up the mess.
Okay. Okay, here. Another one.
Okay, hold on. I told her. What's wrong? I'm sorry. Come on. Here. Put the slime in. Put the slime.
Ooh, slime. I'll make it up. How you make it? I want water.
Okay. What's next? Is water next?
Yeah? Right here.
Yep.
That's water.
Okay, I'll pour the water and then you pour it in there.
Okay. Okay.
Where's the 25?
I know. Oh, I got glue in your finger. Oh, what?
Oh, hi.
Little party, little party,
Little party, little party.
little party.
Yeah, okay. All right, more water.
Okay, more water again.
We had an accident. Mommy spilled water everywhere. In
Okay.
there.
Are you like, hey, that's hot water.
Go ahead. It's okay. It's just warm.
Okay. Make sure don't spill it.
Okay.
Okay,
Now that that's done, now we get to add the color.
Add the color.
Yeah, the color. Which
Now
color?
let's get the orange one.
Orange one.
Here.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, so sticky. Wait, I don't want to spoil it. Oh, yeah. Oh,
Maybe some. Okay, you want to do another color or just orange?
That's orange.
Just orange? Okay. Add some more.
Mama's.
Okay. Stir it up.
Okay. Oh, I missed that.
You gotta hold it.
It's getting really orange.
Real orange.
It's just like a tornado in a circle one.
It's just like a tornado. You're right.
Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh, water. Okay, little one. I do it carefully like that. Ooh, it's getting real flowy.
Not more.
Okay.
One more.
Ooh, slime googie. Googie googie.
Googie googie.
Googie googie. Whoa.
Keep.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh.
With slowly. Just pour it all.
That's better.
Good job.
Oh God. Okay. Let's mix it up again. I'm making the slime. I'm making the slime better.
You're making the slime better.
Ah, help me. I can see his face. Slime. Ooh. Cheese. Cheese.
It's pretty, right?
Wow.
Wait, why does it look so watery? Did we miss something? Let me see. Yeah.
Sweet. It just did that.
I know.
I want to do it.
Don't spill it.
Okay, you do it slowly. Okay, well, look at it. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, now stir it.
Look, it's still sticking.
Is it getting thicker?
Ice makes it. Ooh, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas is over.
It is. Is it getting thicker?
So jiggly, like that.
So jiggly.
Okay, I think it's all done. Yeah, let's open it.
All right, hold on. Hold on.
Let's see this. Oh,
Oh, okay. Let me get it.
okay.
Hold
Ooh.
on. Hold on.
Ooh, look at this slime. Look at this slime. Whoa, oh my gosh.
You like it?
One, mine. You do it yours.
This one? This one mine's? Okay. You need a tissue?
No, and that's wipe it.
No.
Oh no.
I go get tissue.
No, it's clean.
Blow. 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 Wow.
Whoa. Here, I'll open it for you.
Thank you.
Here.
You open it for me? Are we both?
Oh, first the place one.
Okay.
So sticky. Wow, look at this slime.
It looks good.
You're doing good.
Jiggly.
Yeah. Good.
Look, do like this. Let's let them drop. Oh.
Squish it. Let's make a party. Ooh, I'll do it first.
You got a long mustache.
Mustache?
Hey, my name is Billy Bob Joe.
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh, Dad! Dad!
I got glitter on my face.
What's on your face? Let me do it. I don't worry. Oh no. My nose. Oh. On the road. Boo-hoo-hoo.
Slime game.
Try again. Oh!
Wow!
What the heck is that? What the heck is that?
All right, say bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.